Hi everyone, it's Jerry and I was just sent this lovely 2-pack of dusk to dawn motion activated lights. These are LED lights, they have solar panels on them, and they look very attractive and they seem very well built. These have, it looks like 6 different solar panels across the top of each of these that will illuminate the LED down below. It has a light socket that you have that you can put an LED bulb in there to get that illuminated, which is great. It has glass around the outside edge of this, so it is glass, and it was packaged very well inside the box. It fits a 3-inch post mount, so if you had a typical size as a 3-inch post, you can actually put that right over the top of the post and screw that directly into that. Or it does come with the optional base plate that you can screw on to then be able to either screw it to the top of a larger square post, or you can even screw it to the top of a deck, or anywhere else that you might want to possibly put it. I'm going to be mounting it on top of a 3-inch post because I happen to have one, and I happen to have a need for one of these because our other one has gone bad. It came, again, wrapped up very nice. This is aluminum. On a lot of this, part around here is aluminum and glass, and it does have a nice reflector in the bottom. Let's go ahead and get this installed outside, and I will show you how easy this is to do it. Also included in the bag are hardware. So if you want to use the hardware that's in the bag, these pieces here can actually anchor this base plate onto the top of a post if you wanted to, or onto a piece of decking or anything that you're wanting to do using those, or even mount it on the wall into some sheetrock with those sheetrock anchors, I guess. And then it also does come with a Phillips head screwdriver that once it's mounted onto the post, you can go ahead and use this to screw in, or if you're mounting it onto this base, again, using the same Phillips head screwdriver, you just simply tighten all those down and that will secure it firmly to the base. So I've got the broken piece here that came off. Again, a 3-inch post, really easy. Simply slide it down over the top, get it lined up how you want it, and then just going to be using a Phillips head screwdriver, we're just going to tighten it down. So here we are at night. It's nice and bright and lit up. It does seem to light up quite a bit of area. We have not had a lot of sun. That LED is shining very brightly and looks very nice.